Your attitude determines your altitude. As you know, attitude is everything. A positive attitude can help us navigate challenges and setbacks. Also help foster resilience and adaptability. Positive attitude improve relationships and communication. Positive attitude also help in enhancing our overall well-being and happiness, influence our perception and opportunities. By cultivating a positive and growth-oriented attitude, we can unlock our potentials, achieve our goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Change your attitude, change your life.